what is a system? It is essential for us to be clear on the concept of a system before moving on to the IS. Their fundamental and functionality, figure 1.1, give us an example of the system around and with us, which have evolved with the time. The different system found working around and with us. We use the word system a lot in our daily routine, often without understanding precisely what it means. The following are several definitions of the system. According to the Merriam-Webster, a system is a regularly interacting or independent group of items forming a unified world. Margaret Rose from a search in WinIT defines system as a collection of elements or components that are organized for a common purpose. Marcus and Aubrey 2013 quote, a system is a set of interrelated components with a clearly defined boundary, working together to achieve a common set of the objective. Based on the definition by the scholar above, we can simply say a system is a group of interacting device attributes or components that are put together in order to accomplish a common target. To further highlight our definition, we use a simple analogy. A system is a collection of interconnecting fibers, meters, and wires that work together to supply the energy to a large building. Based on the abstract definition and analogy above, it becomes quite clear that virtually everything you can think of is a system. It could also be created by other systems or be a part of a larger system. In a nutshell, by identifying what a system means, we have a fairly decent idea to understand the focus of this book. Information system IS. A system is a group of integrating devices, attributes or components that are put together in order to accomplish the same target. 1.1.1. The system considers the foundation for the business purposes. In order to better understand, there may be many other concepts to be found later in this text. We first need to have a firm grip of the system concept. Generically, if we understand the system concept, then technology will refer to the computer network, a system information processing component that uses a variety of hardware, software, data management and telecommunication network. This will be the further discussed in chapter 3, 4, 5 and 6. Application will refer to the e-business and e-communication application that involve the interconnect business information system. This will be explained further in chapter 7. Development will involve ways to use information technology in business, including the design of basic component of an information system. The stage involved in developing information system will be discussed chapter 11. Management of information technology will highlight the quality, the strategy, business value and security of firm IS, the different types of IS used to support daily business, operation management and discussion making will be discussed in chapter 9 and 10. Everything around us run on its own system. There are various systems that can be found in the human society, physical and biological science, and in the modern technology. The following are examples of the system from different living perspective fields. Physical science, the orbit, sun, and its planet. Biological science, the human body, the growth of plants, habitat of animal. Modern technology system, oil refinery and energy supply. Human society, the socio-economic system of a business organization. The same concept is to be applied to business, as each business process has a unique system concept. Therefore, there is needed for us to be clear on how to apply the general system concept to business firms. System have three basic functions. Input involves the capturing and assembly of elements that enter the system to be the process. For example, data, raw materials and water. Processing involves a transformation process that convert input into the output. For example, the photosynthetic process, manufacturing of products. calculation of coursework mark, etc. Output involve the moving of elements that have been produced by the transformation process to the other last and final destination. For example, finishing product, food for friend, finalize the coursework marks, ready to be the view by the students, etc. That is needed for us to be clear on how to apply the general system concept to business firms. System have three basic functions. Input involves the capturing and assembly of elements that enter the system to be the process. For example, data, raw materials, and water. Processing involves a transformation process that convert input into the output. For example, the process synthetic process, manufacturing of products, calculation of coursework mark, etc. Output involve the moving of elements that have been produced by the transformation process to the other last and final destination. For example, finishing product, food for friend, finalize the coursework marks, ready to be the view by the students, etc. Finishing product, food for friend, finalize the coursework marks, ready to be the view by the students, etc.